If your Canon TS3522 printer is not connecting to Wi-Fi or you want to switch to a new network, don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how to reset and change the Wi-Fi on your Canon TS3522 printer step by step. Sometimes the printer won't connect because the router password changed, the network changed, or the printer stored the old Wi-Fi settings. First, we need to reset the wireless settings. Press and hold the stop button on your Canon TS3522 printer for about 5 seconds. Release the button when the alarm light flashes. This resets the Wi-Fi settings on the printer. Now press and hold the wireless button until the blue Wi-Fi light starts blinking. This means the printer is now ready to connect to a new network. Next, open the Canon PRINT Inkjet SELPHY app on your phone. Tap Add Printer and follow the instructions. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Once connected, the Wi-Fi light will stay solid blue and your printer will be ready to print. If it still doesn't connect, make sure your printer is close to the router and your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And that's it! Your Canon TS3522 printer is now connected to your new Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more printer tutorials on this channel.